Hello, all. Welcome to Universal Group of Institutions, Bangalore. As you are already aware, we have come up with a very special series where we are discussing the previous year questions. If you have not watched our previous videos, please go and watch them. So, in this particular video session, we are discussing the question number 3. With reference to the Government of India, consider the following information. A tabular information is given, organization, some of the function, and it works under. See the number 1, Directorate of Enforcement. Some of the functions: enforcement of the Fugitive Economic Offenders Act 2018. It works under the Internal Security Division 1, Ministry of Home Affairs. No, we know very clearly ED has been in news. ED works under the Ministry of Revenue, that is the Department of Revenue, Ministry of Finance. ED does not falls under the Ministry of Home Affairs. So this entirely is mismatched. One is mismatched. So look at the next one. Directorate of Revenue Intelligence enforce. This has been established, against the anti-smuggling. To thwart those operations. Enforces the provisions of the Customs Act of 1962. Absolutely yes. Where does it falls? It works under the Department of Revenue, Ministry of Finance. True. Okay, 2 is correctly matched. Then you have the Directorate General of Systems and Data Management. What is its task? Carrying out big data analytics to assist tax officers for the better policy and nabbing tax evaders. Where does it works? It works under the Department of Revenue, Ministry of Finance. Again, this also is the true one. So only 2 and 3 are rightly matched. Okay, now where does this question falls? This question, I would say, this question falls under the tough category. See, we know very clearly about the Directorate of Enforcement because ED has been in news. So as an average UPSC civil service aspirant, he will be very much aware what are the acts from the ED draw the powers. Okay, be it the FEMA, that is the Foreign Exchange Management Act, be it the Economic Offenders Act as well. So what about the other two institutions which are relatively lesser known in comparison with the Directorate of Enforcement? So in this, only two options are rightly matched. The B. Very few of the few serious aspirants are going to attempt this. Yeah, that's the answer. That's the B is the answer. So for the next question, please be updated where we are going to discuss the question number 4.